just to kind of show y'all to go from whatever this was at first, plain, bone, dry, nothing done to it yet, to what it is now. It's gonna be crazy, yo. So this is where I'm at with my AR Saint. And from the very first day I got this gun to now, a lot of stuff has been changed. Even some stuff has been rechanged and rechanged. So, as we sit here, this is my AR Saint. So, muzzle is from Raycon 1. The pop-up sights is a veteran-owned company. Hollow Sun red dot, some cheap light and laser off of Amazon. Hand stop is from the website Raycon 1 or Redcon 1 Tactical, same as the muzzle device. The QD mount, I think I got off of Amazon. Could be from the Redcon. Most of these parts came from the one website though. Charger handle, same thing from the Redcon 1. I can't remember the brand that they call it, but trigger wheel, Redcon 1, I believe is their particular brand. Same with the boat carrier group. Dust cover, Strike Industry. Takedown pins are Strike Industry. Mag release, Strike Industry. Buffer tube is from the Redcon 1. Still the factory trigger. So the boat is empty. Hold up. The client is trying to get in. Yeah, so that's where I'm at now with it. So everything that's been changed. Takedown pins, mag release, which is ambidextrous, so I could hit it back here and pull it out, or hit the button. I said, even with this light here, with how I hold it, it works perfect. So yeah, that's where we at with this one. So I'm gonna have to stitch these videos together because I am at work. And I gotta flip them because right now it's gonna be opposite. Like this is my right hand, not my left. So when y'all see it, y'all gonna be like, what is he talking about? Because the video is gonna be flipped by then. But yeah, that's where I'm at with this. My AR pistol. Thought about SBR in it, but everybody that I keep talking to that are into guns too tell me, why let the government know what you have? But it's online, so the government already know. But I'm thinking about buying the MCX Beer LT from somebody, so maybe I SBR that. As long as he ain't got an SBR. If he got an SBR already, I'm not even gonna waste my time with buying it, because I don't know what that serial number come back to. But I love my gun. I got a cool looking 29 round mag. 29 rounds right here. lot of these parts I just got for my birthday, so I think that's dope. But like I said, this gun has had a lot done, and I'm not 100% done. It's what, 1, 2, maybe 3, possibly 4 things I might swap out, but 1, 2 things for sure. So Ford Assist, I got in my cart a red Ford Assist. I believe it's made by Strike Industry, sold on the same website. And then the Castle nut, the setup. It's like a big bolt. I got 3 different spots to plug in the QD mount. So this gun is awesome. Can't beat this. I don't care what nobody say. You get people to talk about having red this or red stuff in your guns. Do what you want with your weapon. It's your weapon. You paying for it. You the one that gotta live with it. Don't let nobody tell you what you can and can't do with something that you're buying, something that you're spending your hard-earned money on. Tell them to kick rocks. Cause shit, that's what I'm gonna tell them. And y'all don't worry, literally, I'm sitting on 10 acres of land right now for work, so the direction I'm pointing is woods, wilderness, and shit like that. So then again, starting inside the boat. I even pulled the mag out just to make y'all feel better. Mag got pulled out down there, and let's go ahead and lock that bolt back. So, yeah. Even if I'm sitting up in my car regular on how I drive, come here, easily come here. If I want to extend it, still got plenty of room I could take and go, you know? This is a beautiful weapon.